and it's me. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime, which I made. The first thing you'll need is a cup. Any cup. Any musical cup you want. And then, okay. It's oil, some flour, and warm water. So, first thing you do, you need to put the oil inside. I'm not doing it because I already made it. I don't want to make it good. You need to put the oil in. No, the flour in. Yeah, it also needs salt. Put the flour in, the salt in. Mix the salt and the flour together. You need to do that. Mix it together. Let me just put this down. You need to do that. And then when you're done, you're going to get the warm water. Put it in the slime thing. And then put it in the salt and the flour. And then when you're done putting it in the salt and the flour, then you get oil. Put 2 full spoons of oil. And if you put some in here, put it down on the sink. And then, as you can see, this will get liquidy. So you need to add more flour. You need to add more flour than you need to do. You mix it, take it out, you put the pieces together, and this is what it will do. This is what it will literally do, because this is not like I just didn't make this slime in a different way. For real, you could make this slime no matter what. Well, unless you mess it up. So I'm really happy that I made it, because it's you can use food color if you want, but I didn't have food color, you know me. But it's okay because I said, no, I don't really care. I can just do a white color. So I did a white color, and it was a white. So yeah, and you could do how much as you want, but I didn't want a big one, so I just got a little one. So thanks for watching this. Sorry I didn't do it again. But I'm really sorry that happened, but I just, my parents were here. It's just like, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to make it good, because I don't make it very good, but I hope you guys got the ingredients of how to make slime, and I guys see you later. Really sorry if not making videos really long, but I made videos today, so yeah, it's how to make slime, and bye. See you guys. I love you.